This happy occasion, SMA Alumni USA Grand Reunion, I would like to convey my warmest greetings and congratulations to all officers and members, headed by Engineer Romeo Ronquillo, for his initiative to revisit your alma mater, St. Mary's Academy of Agoo, through this video presentation. For the past years, I am very grateful to God, for we are filled with blessings and graces, both material blessings and God's mercy and protection. One of our blessings is the SMA Alumni Association, Philippines, USA, and other parts of the world. By making a contribution to SMA, you are supporting the educational programs meet the challenging needs of our students, faculty, and staff. Thank you for your generosity for helping to make such a large impact on our campus and in the lives of our students. I would like to share with you some of the best part of St. Mary's Academy. You are one of the reasons why the school is moving. We all know that St. Mary's Academy is the only Catholic school in the town. We never forget that the Catholic institution must be a school of saints, a school of charity, and the product of a good school is always a good person, and must be the sole business of every Catholic institution. Through the years, SMA Agoo continues to provide Catholic quality education, not only to the youth of Agoo, but also students from its nearby towns. Its population continues to increase yearly. For this year, 2013-2014, we have 932 students. We thank God for we have good teachers. They serve the school community with love and dedication. We are here as teachers, not by worthiness, but by the favor of God, who is the real teacher. May our genuine service help the young to help themselves. Most of our students are ESC grantees, government scholars, fund assistance to private education. They are receiving government subsidy for their tuition fee of 6,500 for the grade 7 and grade 8, and 5,500 for the third year and the fourth year students, and it's great help to the parents. Last November 28, 2013, the school was visited, evaluated by the national certifiers from fund assistance to private education personnel. We thank God we passed the evaluation. The extent of compliance with the Department of Education minimum standard. The school is functioning very satisfactorily. We work hard for it. For the moment we fail the evaluation, we are not eligible to continue the ESC program of the government. Inasmuch as the school would not want to deprive its clientele the right to quality education, we enrolled our school in the coming years. The administration was able to purchase an 800 square meter land behind the main building of SMA, funded by the Diocese of La Union with the approval of our new bishop, Most Reverend Rodolfo Beltran. For this endeavor, may I ask you to continue helping us in building our future academic center. My prayerful wish in this year of faith, let us be renewed in our faith, for faith is genuine only if coupled with charity. In whatever states of life we are in, may we be touched by the hand of Christ, a life where His voice is heard, and a life sustained by His grace. May God bless us always in all our endeavors, especially in helping the young to help themselves. Once again, thank you and mabuhay.
Hello po to everyone. I am Mrs. Digna Morion, the Registrar of St. Mary's Academy, and welcome to my beautiful place, the Registrar's Office, wherein the academic records of the students are being kept and stored. This office was being put up 3 years ago through the generosity of the ESMA Alumni Association, both the USA chapter, the Philippines chapter, and all other parts of the world. And I am very grateful enough, my dear alumni, because without you, without your generosity, this office will not be put up. And through this office, my work is being expedited, and I can do my job very well. Continue your support to your alma mater, and may God reward you for all your generosity. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you.
Good afternoon po to everyone. Welcome to St. Mary's Academy Library. I am Mrs. Norma M. Calonghe, the teacher librarian in charge. We all know that library is considered the heart of the school. Because it represents the quality education its student acquires. Therefore, it reflects, supports, and carries out the vision mission of our school to provide Catholic quality education and to attain the quality education of our students and, of course, for our teachers. In this connection, I am very proud to inform you that St. Mary's Academy Library was chosen as the second most functional library among the Catholic school in La Union by the DepEd supervisors in Region 1 last school year 2009-2010. In this regard, I am sharing this to you, our dear alumni, because you are a part of it. As you can see, the renovations and improvements of our library, the wall and the table paintings, was donated by Engineer and Mrs. Arthur Suesta, class of 1968. The steel shelves was donated by class 1964. The additional references, foreign books, non-fiction and fiction books, as well as set of encyclopedias, was donated by Engineer Romeo Ronquillo and family. The split-type aircon or air condition was donated by batch 1996. The sala set, the 26 color TV, the sets of curtains and others were also a project of our student government officers, Supreme Student Government Officers, with a joint effort of batches 2009 up to the present and the whole studentry. With all of these, we would like to express our deepest thanks and gratitude to each and every one. So in behalf of our principal, Sister Maria Julieta E. Relativo TDM, the faculty, the administration and staff, and the whole studentry, of course, we would like again to express our thanks and gratitude. We are hoping that you will continue to support our library, especially to meet the demands of today's education. And if it is not too much on your part, our dear alumni, may we, once again, we are knocking at your generous heart to donate latest edition of general books or general references, professional books, set of encyclopedias, and additional air condition and computer set to be a big help in our teaching profession and to our students. Once again, our sincerest thanks. May the good Lord continue to bless you and your family. Mabuhay St. Mary's Academy. Mabuhay St. Mary's Academy Alumni Association USA and other parts of the world. Thank you very much.
Ano po, to our ESMA Alumni USA Chapter, kamusta po kayo dyan? I am Mrs. Rosemary Almares, this is my partner.
Josephine Manzano po.
Kami po yung naka-assign for the TLE room and welcome po sa TLE room.
Happy alumni homecoming in the US. Thank you.
More blessings and hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Naimbag nga malo tayo amin, ako. Pasensya kayon, ta Ilocano, iti panagsaok, no mayudkas ko, launay. Dahil kayat ko masapon. May sana bara, kablaw, kada kayo amin, nga nagturpos dito eskwelaan tayo nga St. Mary's Academy. Siya ni Mrs. Cristina Abaco Mangawang, batch 1977. Kat may sa ako nga mangisulsuro dito'y since 1981 up to the present. Sabi nga nila, may isa nga pioneer ako na ako dito sa St. Mary's Academy at 32 years of service as of the moment. I am proud and certified man yan. So our dear alumni, officers, and members of USA Chapter, it's now the time for St. Mary's Academy to go beyond. Dahil nga minsangit ako, bunga ti panignag, na padas kan anos, na panagduras sa eskwelahan kayo nga St. Mary's Academy. Gapo, dagiti rigat kan sakripisyo, panguluan to'y president tayo, na ito na Engineer Romeo Ronquillo. Kasama, dagiti na duma-duma, na kamon si Batches sa St. Mary's Academy. Idawat ko kanyayo, ngayon kayo kuma, ito'y tuloy, na suportara, kailangan kayo, na mapadakol kung mapapintas, para pagimbagan kung pagsaatan na iyanak kayo, kasama dagiti na ituturo. Para makakit ka ito'y agundaway, na manggigdig, pinagyaman kada kayo amin, pagahir sirigat ken anos nyo, kat makita tayo mutan itan si Bunga, Gunod ken Pateryo, sa eskwelahan kayo na St. Mary's Academy. Kat hindi sila na kayo kumati, Apo Diyos, ang makaamo ken ng pater, kasi kay amin may narangid nyo, tatlo may papudlo, iti anyaman na pagsiatan si St. Mary's Academy. Kada kayo amin, naimbag at nagdalyasa, continue to be the channel of inspiration. May God bless us all. Mabuhay si alumni si St. Mary's Academy. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng alumni dyan sa Amerika at sa buong mundo. Ako po si Maria Monica Chelsea Ballesteros, ang dating Supreme Student Government President at Editor-in-Chief ng Sunbeams ng taong 2009-2010. During my time as Editor-in-Chief, I was able to represent our school and province in the regional schools press conference and first place in the division. Thank you. Mabuhay po. Annyeong.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Hannah Janina Felicity Ballesteros, and I am the SSG President way back 2011-2012. As an SSG or as a leader, I our organization,
Sige.
okay. Good afternoon to each and everyone. I am Hannah Janina Felicity Ballesteros, the former SSG president in the year 2011-2012. Our organization have different projects like Pera sa Basura, wherein we sell bottles and cans for us to save money for our next projects like the canopy in the stage and for maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness of our school. Aside from that, we also participate in the activities of the municipality, and I am chosen as the municipal youth leader of the whole municipality. That organization advocates children's rights, and we have different activities like coastal cleaning and tree plantings. As an active leader, I also participated in the national leadership training of youth leaders held in Baguio City, and it was given by the DepEd. Aside from being an active leader, I am also the editor-in-chief of our school in that year. Being the editor-in-chief, we were one of the outstanding school paper, and during the DSPC, we won 6 awards, and we represented the school in the whole province of La Union. We went to the regional schools press conference, and we represented the province of La Union in the whole region. To the alumni, thank you very much for your support, and because of your support, we are inspired to do more, and please continue supporting us. Thank you, and mabuhay.
Greetings in the name of the Lord. We are very blessed to have you as alumni of St. Mary's Academy, always giving your support on the different projects and programs of our school. By the way, I am Leslie May M. Romero, the Vice President of the Supreme Student Government. I am proud to say that our school is building-based. Facilities such as the science laboratory room, the comfort room on the first and second floor, the corridors, the pathways have undergone renovations through the efforts of the parents, teachers, and alumni of the school, and also the classrooms of Grade 7 St. Monica, Grade 8 Our Lady of Charity, 4th year Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, and Our Lady of Perpetual Health have undergone changes such as floor tiling. Some of the students of St. Mary's Academy, we are very grateful for all the help that you extended to us, and we just hope that you will continue in supporting the different projects and programs of our school. Thank you, and may the good Lord always be with us.
A pleasant afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I am Paul Paray, a fourth-year student of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception and the present president of the Supreme Student Government. We are very proud to inform you that we are one of the best schools and even won different awards which contributes to the pride of St. Mary's Academy, not only in Nagawa but also in the province of La Union. So in behalf of the full studentry of St. Mary's Academy, we would like to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to all of you. All your hardships, sacrifices, and support spiritually and financially is very worthy. And with this, we are much benefiting from it. Without your support and generosity, we will not able to attain our success and the good of the name of our school. As the only Catholic school in the municipality of Agong, as we continue your legacy. May God bless you, more blessings, and take care of yourself. Mabuhay po tayo.
Greetings of peace and love to all alumni in US and all parts of the world. I am Mrs. Helen Baldo Ballesteros, classroom advisor And I am the advisor of our school paper, Fundraise. As an advisor of our school paper, I train and develop our writers to be part of our school paper, Fundraise. Every year, we train and develop our writers and prepare them for contests, not only in our school base, but also in the division, to the regional, and even up to the regional level. And I'm very proud to say that since my advisorship, our school paper, Fundraise, was able to garner one of the best school paper in La Union. And from that time on, every year, until last year, our staffers, our writers, always bring home the bacon. Engineer Romeo Filio, sir, I am a living witness to your good leadership as President of the St. Clair's Academy Alumni Association USA. You are indeed God sent every time you come here to the Philippines because you always come here to our school. Because you inspire us and our students, they make good, and our school is becoming better and better as the years go by. Mabuhay ang mga alumni. Sana po hindi kayo magsasawa na ibigay ang inyong mga suporta para sa ating mga kabataan ngayon na nangangarap para sa kanilang sarili at sa kanilang minamahal na bayan. Maraming salamat ulit, Sir Romeo. I hope that we will see each other in the Grand Alumni Homecoming on December 2013. So mabuhay lahat ang mga alumni sa USA and all parts of the globe.
Happy Grand Alumni Reunion! Mabuhay!